Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. This is our Ipsy original bag, formerly the Glam bag. We will be unboxing it and giving away one of the items to one of you, so keep on watching. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Adriana Nicole Cosmetics All Shimmers Edition I Am Everything palette. It's such a stunning palette. I absolutely love it. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one as well as the other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Natasha Denona Rosewood palette. Such a stunning palette. So Ipsy is beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care. The original bag, it's mainly sample sizes as well as a small cosmetic bag, and every once in a while they will throw in a full-size item as well. How cute is this? This is what this month's bag looks like. Look at this pull tab. It looks like sunglasses. So cute. So what Ipsy says about this is sunny days packed. July's glam bag features classic cabana stripes in sunshine yellow and white, finishes with a retro sunglasses zipper pull for a playful summer touch. Lightweight, durable, and ready for every getaway, planned or otherwise. I need an unplanned giveaway. Oh, I didn't even have this the right way. Look at these sunglasses this way. Well, now it's switched back. But see how they're like white? Look how cute. Inside is this blue, really pretty. So from Ace Beauté is a Ready in 5 Hydrating Creamy Concealer. Mine is in the shade F2. So what Ipsy says is brighten, blur, and protect in one swipe. The Serum Light Concealer delivers buildable coverage with a smooth, radiant finish that lasts all day. This is full size. It is 2.6 milliliters, 4.2 stars, retails for $24. From Black is a Beyond Hope Rejuvenating Serum. This is a deluxe mini. It is 3.4 stars. What Ipsy says, the lightweight serum is powered by hyaluronic acid to help boost your skin's plump, dewy glow. It absorbs quickly, delivering hydration that supports a fresh and healthy looking complexion, perfect for days for when your skin needs a pick-me-up. I can't tell you how much I love these Grace and Stella eye masks. I got a big package of them from Costco. Love them. So these is full size. It is their Eye Mask Heroes. There are 3 of them in here. It retails for $7.50. You get the pink ones that are moisturizing. You get one of the blue ones, which is illuminating, and one of the purple ones, which is restoring. What Ipsy says is wave goodbye to tired eyes with a powerhouse trio of eye masks, each designed to target your specific concerns. Whether you're reaching for the pink mask to help firm, moisturize, and depuff, the blue mask helps illuminate with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, or the purple mask to help restore and smooth with retinol, your delicate skin is covered. This multi-benefit set works to visibly reduce dark circles and puffiness, especially when kept chilled, for a refreshing morning wake-me-up. From Serapine Botanicals is the Power Curl Mascara. It is 3.8 stars. This is full size. It does retail for $29. What Ipsy says is, do you your lashes lose lift within hours of curling. We have energized this mascara to prevent lash drooping by reinforcing structure, flexibility, and shape retentions. The formulation combines our wax complex with film forming agents to create a flexible matrix that helps curl without stiffness while locking the black pigment in place for clean, smudge resistant wear. I always have a problem with smudges. So you guys, I am bummed. I did not get my 5th item. What I got was a duplicate of that black item. I was supposed to get a Touching Melting Lip Balm in Pinku, which was my choice, and I didn't get it. I'm really, really bummed about this. So let's give away one of the items to one of you. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name and also the secret word, which is missing, MISSING. So only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entry items. Only mark on it if you actually did do them, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your first way to get the bonus entries, if you follow me on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, AMA, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts. I really want to reward you guys for doing so, because it helps the channel grow when you guys do that. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have the giveaway go through August 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take the first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It's just easier for me to mail out the prizes to the winner. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!